Hi everyone, we are a group of friends from Italy. It's our first time here in Vietnam. We were just randomly looking on internet to find some local tour operators to arrange our tour, and we just found very interesting the website of Vivutravel. And on the whole process of asking what we were looking for our tour, 2 weeks tour in Vietnam, we found like a very trustful tour operator, and now that we are on site, we are really satisfied on what we have so far, because it's really everything beyond expectation of what we booked. We start our tour in South of Vietnam. Now we are here in Sapa on the mountain, and it's like completely different. The landscape, it seems like to have everything. We come from the Delta of Mekong till the high mountain here. But it's really everything so nice, so interesting, and all the people from Vietnam are really welcoming.
Noi siamo partiti dal sud, da Saigon, è la nostra prima volta in Vietnam e poi siamo risaliti. Ci hanno portato sul Mekong, su barchette, siamo finiti in città grandi e ora ci troviamo a Sapa. È un paesaggio incredibile, è tutto molto diverso, ma abbiamo trovato un calore e accoglienza ovunque. È da vedere, davvero da venire.
Grazie.
And if you get lost, please contact Vivutravel.
Ciao!
Thank you.
Xin chào!
Thank you.
Xin chào!